project I did. The edges aren't very strong, but it's just literally there to hold the nuts in place. This one will go on the table full of nuts, and hopefully the squirrels will come and feed from it. I do plan to make another one, a smaller one though, which will go on the fence, but also have nuts in it, and hopefully the squirrels will come and enjoy it. Let me know what you think of it. This was just a quick project with a bit of scrap trellis I had kicking around, which would have just ended up going down the dump. I think overall, it looks good. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.